Hello students, let us see the problem number 31. In which of the following the number of carbon atoms does not remain the same when the carboxylic acid is obtained from the oxidation? So from the case of the here in the case of aldehyde, okay, directly aldehyde group convert into the carboxylic acid. So here it will be the same, okay, and alcohol is also directly converting into the carboxylic acid. Here will be also same, but here it will be not same, student. So correct option is option number no, it will be option number A. As you can see, student, this is CH3, C double bond O and CH3 is there. So if you are doing the oxidation with the help of HNO3, so what it will give, student, the first molecule, the bond will be split like that. So one molecule will be HCHO and another molecule will be CH3COOH. So it is giving, it is not giving, that is what the question you can read out. They are saying in which of the following the number of carbon atoms does not remain the same. So in this case, number of carbon atom is not the, here is 3, but here is only 1 and here is 2. So not the same. So this is our required answer. Let us read out the slide, student. Ketones are not easily oxidized. However, under the drastic condition with powerful oxidizing agents such as concentrated nitric acid, KMnO4 and H2SO4 or K2Cr2O7 H2SO4, cleavage of carbon-carbon bond takes place and given mixture of carboxylic acid having less number of carbon atom than the original ketones. So correct option will be ketone 1. Option number A is correct. Thank you so much for watching, friends. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.